Thinking about moving from California to Tennessee? It's an exciting decision. Tennessee, also known as the volunteer state, is a great place to start a new chapter, but moving such a long distance can be overwhelming. So let 3Movers help make it easy and stress-free. Tennessee offers something for everyone, from the famous Grand Ole Opry to its incredible cost of living, which is 15% below the national average. Let's talk about the numbers. Moving from California to Tennessee is no small feat, but knowing the cost up front can help you plan. The distance between California and Tennessee ranges from 1,550 to over 2,100 miles, and the cost will depend on factors like the size of your home and the services you need. For example, moving from Los Angeles to Nashville will typically cost anywhere from $4,500 to $5,700 for a 2-bedroom home, while a larger 3-bedroom move can go up to $9,100 or more. Keep in mind that additional services like packing, storage, and furniture disassembly can add to your costs. At 3Movers, we don't just handle residential moves. We offer a full range of services to make your relocation easier. We're also equipped to handle office relocations and provide storage solutions if you need a safe place for your belongings in between homes. And if you're moving internationally, we can help with all the logistics. Moving from California to Tennessee can be a big challenge, but with 3Movers on your side, it doesn't have to be. From affordable pricing to expert movers and a wide range of services, we're here to make your transition as smooth as possible. Reach out today for your free quote and let's get started.